Welcome to the Ask Patrick series. The question today is by Supranil Baruch. The question is, my accuracy in DLR is good, but I am able to solve only one set in the examination. So what do I do? A couple of things that you can do. One is change your strategy. I'm not sure what strategy you follow, but by next step would be to try to solve two sets. I mean, whenever you're stuck with a particular level, try to change something and see how you can move forward. So one is, okay, let me just aim to solve 2 or 3 sets in the examination, not more than that. Don't try to aim very high, just go in stages. Maybe once you solve 2 sets and you're comfortable with it, maybe you can go to the next step. How do I go about solving 2 sets? One strategy could be, I'll go through all the questions in the exam, the sets, there are 8 sets normally in a 3-hour paper. I'll go through all the sets, maybe pick up 3 which are comparatively easy as compared to them others. And then from those 3, I mean, if in the first 12 minutes I'm able to go through all the questions, all the sets, 8 sets, I'm still left with 48 minutes to solve 3 sets, which is around 16 minutes per set, which is sufficient time on average. So you spend 16 minutes per set on the 3 sets and try to get 2 of them right. Even if you don't get 1 set right, try to get 2 sets right in those 16 minutes. That will help you to get into next level, that is 2 sets right. One is strategy change. Second, you are saying that your accuracy is good, but you're not able to solve more sets. Basically, it means that you're taking too much time in trying to solve a set. So go back, analyze the way you are solving a set and see where are you wasting too much time. Are you wasting too much time in selection of sets? Are you wasting too much time on reading? Are you wasting too much time in trying to note down the data? Are you wasting too much time on maybe calculations? Or are you wasting too much time in solving those questions? I mean, there are many factors where you could be wasting a lot of time. Identify the area where you're wasting a lot of time and try to reduce that time. There's a high chance that there will be more than one areas where you're wasting a lot of time. So identify those major areas and try to reduce. For example, if your calculation is slow, try to improve on your calculation speed, right? If your selection is slow, try to work on your selection, how to work on selecting the question faster. Just to give you an example, so I know a person who used to take a longer time to solve DI, and he realized that he used to take a longer time in reading the set. He used to read a set, again reread the set second time, then third time note down the data, then solve. So he used to end up reading a particular set 4 times or 5 times before he actually solved, which ended up wasting a lot of time. So then he said, no, let me ensure that I read the set only once and solve the set. He started practicing it and became good at it. Once he read, whatever he read, he put the data down and answered without going to the set again. Over a period of time, he was able to do it comfortably for a lot of sets. That helped him to save a lot of time, and therefore he could solve more sets. The same way, try to identify where you're wasting a lot of time. And the moment you're able to identify that, I'm sure you'll find out a way to improve in that area. Hope that helps. Thank you.